Fourth class science, preparing and storing food lesson already discussed. Children, total lesson explanation is completed. Today we will discuss big part. Okay, first we can see, pick the correct option. Tick the correct option. Here see children, the main vein of a leaf carries chlorophyll, oxygen and food. The main vein of leaf carries food. The main vein of first one, food. Option C. Okay. Second one. Second bit. Air enters a plant through the stomata on its leaves, flowers, stem. Option A, leaves. L-E-A-V-E-S. Leaves. Option A, leaves. Next, third bit. Which of the following is non-green plant? Cactus, croton, neem. Neem have a green leaves. Cactus have a green stem. Croton is a red stem and red plant, red leaves. Yes, it's a non-green plant. Option B. Third one, option B. Next, fourth one. Removing the green pigment in a leaf is called photosynthesis, bleaching, breathing. Fourth one, bleaching. Fourth one, bleaching. Option B. Okay. Next, fifth one. Here see, which program helps to save trees? Vana Mahotsavam, Project Tiger and Operation Flood. Which one is the protect from trees? Vana Mahotsavam. Vana Mahotsavam is the correct program in protect trees. Option A. Okay. First one, option C. The main vein of a leaf carries food. Second one, air enters a plant through the stomata on its leaves. Third one, which of the following is a non-green plant? Croton. Fourth one, removing the green pigment in a leaf is called bleaching. Fifth one, which program helps to save trees? Vana Mahotsavam. Vana Mahotsavam. Option A. Okay. Next, fill in the blanks, children. Next one, second bit, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. The first one, the presence of a substance. The presence of a substance called dash makes leaf green. Makes a leaf green. It is the first one. Okay. Second one, the process by which food is prepared? Which food is prepared? Which food is prepared in plants is called, in plants is called dash. Okay. Second one. Third one, dash or openings. Dash or openings on the underside of the leaf. Under side of a leaf. Okay. Fourth one, moulds and dash are non-green plants. Are non-green plants. Okay. Next, fifth one. Animals need food to eat and dash to breathe. Okay, these are the 5 fill in the blanks. First one, the presence of a substance called dash make a leaf green. Chlorophyll makes a leaf green. Chlorophyll. Chlorophyll. Next, second one, the process by which food is prepared in plants is called photosynthesis. 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 Next, third one, dash are openings on the underside of a leaf. Stomata are opening on the underside of the leaf. Stomata. Stomata. Next, fourth one, moules and dash are non-green plants. Moules and mushrooms. Mushrooms. Okay. Next, fifth one, animals need food to eat and dash to breathe. Oxygen. Oxygen. Okay. First one, chlorophyll. Second blank, photosynthesis. Third blank, stomata. Fourth one, mushrooms. Fifth one, oxygen. Okay, can you understand? Next one, page number 56. Can you name us? We are given out by the leaves of a plant oxygen and dash inkoti manam rayali. Okay. Second one, water vapor. Let us do. Okay. Let us do answers. First one, here given one, oxygen. Okay. Second blank, write water vapor. Water vapor. Leaves release the oxygen and water vapor. Okay. Second bit. Here see. We are taken in by the roots of a plant, minerals, and next one, second one, here given minerals. Okay. Second one answer, water. Roots are observe the minerals and water from the soil. Next, third one, we store a lot of starch for you. Here given rice. Second one, rice. First one. Second one, you write here potato. Potato. Okay. Next, fourth one, where two chemicals needed to test a leaf. First starch, iodine solution, and second one is, first one here given iodine solution. Okay. Second one, alcohol. Can you complete these bits in page number 56, children? Let us do. Can you name us? Can you fill water vapor, water, potato and alcohol? F bit. Okay. Next, here see children, which words in the poem mean the same as the words below. Write them on the blank. Circular. Here circular una word edi. Can you write here? Here already given round. 7 days. 7 days means it's called week. Week. Small. Small means tinny. means very small. If you want a sum, fit, healthy, flower, here given, you can read this poem, you can write these answers. Okay, page number 57. Read this little brown seed, you can write here answers. Okay, can you understand? Yes. Okay children, thank you.